Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the thyroid glands. The thyroid gland is situated in the neck in front of the larynx and trachea at the level of 5th, 6th and 7th cervical and first thoracic vertebra. It is a highly vascular gland that weighs about 25 grams and is surrounded by a fibrous capsule. It resembles a butterfly in shape consisting of the two lobes, one on either side of the thyroid cartilage and upper cartilage rings of the trachea. The lobes are joined by a narrow isthmus lining in front of trachea. The lobes are roughly cone shaped, about 5 cm long and 3 cm wide. The anterior blood supply to the gland is through the superior and inferior thyroid arteries. The superior thyroid artery is a branch of the external carotid artery, and the inferior thyroid artery is a branch of the subclavicle artery. The venous return is by the thyroid vein, which drain into the internal jugular veins. The gland is composed of the largely spherical follicles formed from the cuboidal epithelium. These secretes and store colloid, a thick sticky protein material between the follicles, or other cells found singly or small groups. Parafollicular cells, also called the C cells, which secrete the hormone calcitonin. There are the structure of the thyroid hormones. Thyroid gland, right external carotid artery, right superior thyroid artery. There are the blue coloring veins, two internal right jugular veins, and the right inferior thyroid artery and inferior thyroid veins, right subclavicle artery, thyroid cartilage, left lobe of thyroid gland, isthmus of the thyroid gland, trachea, left common carotid artery, cut. So there are the thyroid glands and the cartilage, thyroid cartilage, left lobe, trachea, isthmus and the trachea. Thyroid hormone is the thyroxine and triiodothyronine. Iodine is essential for the formation of thyroid hormone, thyroxine T4 and triiodothyronine T3. The thyroid gland selectively take up iodine from the blood, a process called iodine trapping, and the release of T3 and T4 into the blood is stimulated by thyroid stimulating hormone TSH from the anterior pituitary. Secretion of the TSH is stimulated by the thyrotropin releasing hormone TRH from the hypothalamus. Secretion of the TRH is stimulated by exercise, stress, malnutrition, low plasma glucose level and sleep. Function of T3 and T4. T3 and T4 are essential for normal growth and development, especially of the skeleton and nervous system. Most other organs and systems are also influenced by the thyroid hormone. Physiological effect of T3 and T4 on the heart, skeletal muscles, skin, digestive and reproductive systems are more evident when there is an underactivity or overactivity of the thyroid gland and can be profound in childhood. In today's class, I discuss about the thyroid hormones and the thyroid gland. Thank you for watching.